Hey guys, this is Ben Arkell with PassiveAutomation.com. Wanted to come on and give you a quick overview of what is the core. As you can see, these are my blog stats, and what is the core in the last 30 days is my second most viewed article. So I figured people are interested about the topic, wanted to give a brief lowdown of what the core is. For those of you who don't know, there's a blog post I have on my site on PassiveAutomation.com. Goes more into depth about what the core is. You can feel free to check that out. Again, just go to PassiveAutomation.com and look up core. The core was founded by Jordan Mederich, and he is a marketing genius. Essentially, he's created a group where people can come, and he helps give you the tools to basically build a long-term marketing game plan. I'm going to pop over here for a quote from himself. He says, if you're looking for tools and strategies you can plug into the long-term game of your marketing career, the core is for you. And that's what Jordan said. I'm going to type this as well. He also has this saying, it's the 5-year plan. So if you guys are starting out online, looking into affiliate marketing or creating an online business, and just don't know where to start, one thing I would tell you is having a mentor and a coach and someone who can kind of point you in the right direction is invaluable. And Jordan is exactly that, except you get to be part of his group for a lot cheaper than it would cost to have, you know, a mentor or a coach. They charge thousands, hundreds, and even thousands of dollars a month. You can join the core for $97 a month right now. I know he's going to raise that price to $197 soon, just based on demand. But Jordan is the real deal. I wanted to jump on and explain really quickly some of the benefits of being in the core again. You can go into my blog post to find more. But just some of the things that he actually mentioned on his expert launch page. There'll be the top link in this video. I'll have my affiliate link to join the core. If you join through my link, there's some additional bonuses I can offer you. And I'll explain those bonuses are in this post, but there's some software bundles I can offer you, software that will help you run your business smoother, track the success you're having, reach out to people automatically. There's a lot of valuable software I'll offer there. There's some share funnels for those of you who are using ClickFunnels and trying to sell products through ClickFunnels. There's some other high-ticket affiliate programs that I'll give you information on, and an ad swipe library, give you some more information on Facebook ads, a bunch of other things. I can also offer some other things that might be of interest to you, but these are some of the bonuses I do offer. I wanted to jump into the core and explain kind of what Jordan has built. He does training weekly. He also he gives you some inside information onto what traffic vendors to use. For solo ads, he's got some good relationship there. For those of you who don't know what solo ads are, it's basically you renting someone else's large email list to send out an email to send to your offer. Let me show you really quickly some of the things that he offers, and then we'll get back to some of these testimonials, but you have instant access to the expert launch core members area, which, let me pop over here, is this. Okay, here's the members area, and I'll explain some of this stuff right here in a minute. He mentions this 24-hour product launch course. Now, I actually haven't gone through the whole thing myself, but the idea is, he has this PDF, and he kind of helps walk you through what you can launch, what you can charge, some questions you need to be asking yourself to be able to create the niche and the market choice that you want, and basically some ideas. And he walks you through setting up your own game plan. But this is a bonus he offers for those who join the core. He says core member recognition and early access. Let's see here, exclusive access to coaching. So he actually, for those who join the core, he gives you access. He actually just recently did a coaching call. You can do that for free. But what he also does, he has a support line, and he'll answer any question you have, which is incredible. the thing that I actually value the most is these new funnels each month. So I don't know about you, but I'm lacking in time. Currently, I'm juggling a 9 to 5 and building an online business on the side, and so this funnel, these have been pretty valuable to me. So he has an Instagram link tree funnel right here. He has a ClickFunnels course that you can use as a white label, which means you can give that away for free as a bonus. You can sell it. It's a very thorough and intensive ClickFunnels training course. As you can see, it says over 100 hours was put into this training, and here's kind of a screenshot of the training. Yeah, so the product can be white labeled, as it says here. It gives you some more information there. So for those of you who are interested in ClickFunnels or are developing offers to reach out to potential ClickFunnels users, this is invaluable, this training. The most recent funnel that Jordan created was the One Funnel Away Challenge funnel, and that's one that people are going to be implementing a lot in the next couple months. Actually, August is the next One Funnel Away Challenge, and this funnel was designed for cold traffic to entice them to join the One Funnel Away Challenge. And as it says here, it's been over. It took 3 weeks and over $5,000 to help build the funnel and do the video sales letter, which is part of the funnel. Just incredible. So for me, again, as far as personal benefit, I love getting, he's made a promise to release a funnel every month. So I've actually gone in and I've got my funnel set up, ready to launch to some cold traffic. I'm going to send some solo ads to that funnel to try to get people to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge and then purchase. It's a $100 purchase, so and that would all go straight into my pocket. So some more benefits of the core. So when he gives you a funnel, he'll also give you email swipes. So an email swipe is basically a communication you can send to those who have opted into your funnel for more information. You want to be reaching out to them because fortune's in the follow-up. And he gives you a framework. I would recommend that you take what he's given you and add to it and adjust to suit your needs and your audience. Please don't just copy and paste. I've seen some really successful marketers just copy and paste everything. You don't want to do that. You want to be original and be yourself, but definitely using his swipes as a framework is incredibly beneficial. So again, all of these funnels so far, again, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 funnels he's already made. There was a 4th one that's been taken down, but it did have 2 million views. It was very popular. We won't mention what it was called, but it was very successful. He's moved on from that one, but again, next month you can expect another funnel. He's making that promise. He says we'll have first access to all his future funnels or tools that he builds. They might be other things. And he's charging for those, $300 to $1,000, but it's free. One other benefit of joining the core is the ability to become an affiliate. So I joined the core, and I brought some people in under me, and so my membership is paid for through the commissions that I get from these members. So again, if you'd like to join the core or learn more about it, please click the top link below this video. Reach out to me. Leave a comment on the video with any questions. I'll be glad to get back to you. I'll be completely open and honest and transparent. I would love you to join to my link, but I'm going to give you the truth. If I don't think it's a good fit for you, I'll let you know. The one other great thing that Jordan does is he gives you a money-back guarantee. Okay, he's like, if you don't see a double the value return on your investment, he's like, I'll cancel your membership or I'll coach you until you have succeeded. So Jordan, just so you know about him, I just learned this today. His dad was a pastor, his mom's a teacher, and he really believes in giving. And as you give, you get. And so he's a good guy, really down to earth, but he's a genius. He really is. So again, let's see here. I want to see if there's anything I was going to touch on. Yeah, we touched on this product launch worksheet. We also touched on what's inside the core. This course. Again, this is where you would want to apply to become an affiliate. And yeah, with this latest funnel for the One Funnel Away Challenge, just to show you how incredible Jordan is and the awesome stuff he does, he has this funnel, and part of the funnel to get an opt-in, you're offering free vacation to somebody who signs up for the One Funnel Away Challenge under you, and he's willing to give away 10 free vacation vouchers for free to those in the core. Okay, that's normally, it's from a website that costs $300 a month. He'll give it to you for free. Again, 10 vacation vouchers. So I'm gonna be recruiting people to sign up for this One Funnel Away Challenge, and he's giving me the tools to do it. He's giving me the funnel within ClickFunnels. He's giving me the vouchers, okay? And you know, it's just, again, if you lack time, if you lack perhaps the ability right now to create your own funnel, it's incredible to have a partner, a mentor, a coach, somebody who can kind of do these things for you. And something important to think about is, while he's doing it for you, and he's been doing it for me, as he's been doing it, I've been realizing, so this is what I could do. It kind of gives me confidence to build my own funnel and know that I could do it because I have a framework and I know it's been successful as I've implemented the stuff that he's provided and created for me. So the name of it's called the CORE, but I find it interesting because the name of his Facebook group is the Expert Launch Center. Actually, the location where he films his videos, his headquarters is the Expert Launch Center, because he wants people to be experts. He does. He wants people to learn and grow, and I think that's cool about Jordan as well, part of the core. His main goal isn't just helping people become affiliate marketers or have their own online business in affiliate marketing. He wants you to succeed in any way possible, and he actually wants you to own the cart like that. That's his goal. He's straight up and he says affiliate marketing is a ton of work and you can make money on it, but there's other ways like coaching and consulting, and ideally you want to own the cart. And so he is a businessman, right? He's not going to lead you astray. He's going to help you do what is best for you. He has your best intentions in mind, and he wants you to succeed. So I have a couple notes down here. Wanted to make sure I go over it. Yeah, the one thing I want to mention too is the video sales letters he creates in his funnels. They're captivating. They're incredibly done. Again, it takes him weeks and weeks and weeks to build these things. And they're top notch, just absolutely top notch. I talked about the 5-year retirement plan. You know, he's not going to be tricking you to think you can make $1 million in a month, right? He understands it's a lot of work, but it's so nice to have somebody holding your hand, to have a mentor, to have someone who can coach you, to have someone who is offering you free resources and tools that long-term will help your business grow. So again, if you're interested or you want to learn more, click that top link below. You can learn more about the core. Use my affiliate link and all the bonuses that I have. Once you sign up, just send an email to me. And again, I'll offer you any of the bonuses that I have here. I can give you some more detail on these. But again, if you want to go to passiveautomation.com, that's another place you can learn more about the core. But there you go. Just wanted to shoot this quick video. Again, I've seen a lot of people inquiring about the core, asking about it, wanting to know if it's worth the value. For $97 a month, I would absolutely say it's worth the value. I know that it's going to jump up to $197 a month pretty soon. And so I would jump in head first, learn from Jordan, take advantage of the resources he provides, learn from the community, and hopefully we will see you on the inside. Thanks, guys.